Hey, welcome to another product review from Medical Gear Outfitters. Today, we're going to take a look at the H&H Mini Compressed Gauze. This is 84 inches in length and 4.5 inches wide. So this is going to be a smaller gauze, but this is going to be good for your smaller IFAK, your individual first aid kit. Maybe you're looking for something for EDC to put in your back pocket just to carry. So I think this is something you should take a look at. Has a couple of tear points here, has 4 on each side, 2 on each side. It is sterile gauze, so we can tear it open. Comes out. And now unfolds here, a little bit wider. And now it just unrolls. So we have gauze that we can use to control bleeding. You can wound pack with it if you need to. But good compact gauze for your trauma kit. I think it's worth taking a look at. I'll put a link down below to medicalgearoutfitters.com. Thank you guys for the support. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember, you need the right gear and the right training.